Hey guys, welcome back to Monikero Custom Guitars. Yes, I know I haven't been uploading for the last couple of weeks, but after the CNC guitar build, I took some time off. Actually, I had some commissioned work which needed to be done, and that's what I did. So yeah, this is something I'm working on at the moment. It's one of my super strat kind of model. And I have other two commissioned build which are right after this one. Regarding the Odin, I've spoke recently with a local artist, with a local guitarist, and we agreed to do a demo of the guitar at his studio, which will be really cool. And so yeah, stay tuned for that one, because that will be the season finale of the CNC Guitar Build Season 2, the playlist. So in this video, I won't show you any construction or build something, tips. I just want to introduce something that I wanted to do for a long time. And now, since I starting to experiment with spray finish and gun spray finish, I wanted something to, well, when it comes to buff the finish on a guitar. And I always wanted something like those big buffers that, which comes to mind, Zoom XS, for example, those big wheels kind of buffing machines. And the thing is, I always wanted to build one rather than to buy one. Obviously, building is much cheaper. And I had issues regarding finding the right parts and finding those big wheels here, especially here in Malta. But recently, STUMEC decided to extend their postage membership, which they have even for Europe, which was really good for me. So I could easily order all the parts necessary for this kind of build. And that's the reason why this video is to introduce to you this guitar buffing machine build. So another reason why I'm building rather than buying is because I already have a motor here that's really good for this particular project. Now, technically the motor is a bit too powerful for this project, so because this is a 2 horsepower motor. Usually the buffering machines they use, if I'm not mistaken, a 1.5 horsepower or something like that. And to get good to get the recommended RPM on the wheels, the issue that I have is that I have to use, in my case, a 12-inch pulley. But I've talked with a friend of mine, and we came to agreement that basically we're going to try to manufacture it from, well, we're going to 3D print it. We're going to use a carbon fiber filament for this particular use, and we think that it should be really good for our application. I have most of the parts ordered, and almost soon they're going to be in my hand, and of course they require some machining, which I won't be able to do because a friend of mine has a big lathe, and some of the machining requires a lathe, so that it's for my friend. That's all I have for you today. It's good to be back and making some new content. Stay tuned for other tips and tricks, and if you're interested, stay tuned for this buffing machine build. So guys, if you're new to this channel, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be aware about my future releases. And to the new subscribers and to the old one, take care and goodbye.